This weekend in the garage, I'm going to be testing this cheap Amazon smoke machine to see if I can find some vacuum leaks in my '84 Corvette. Well, first things first, I've never vacuum tested a car in my life. And I just took this thing out of the package. So I really have no idea how to use it. So we'll be working through that together. I'll start by getting this machine set up. Should be easy. Comes with this thing, cone with a tube. Here we have tube. And we have a little bottle. And a hook. And the last thing it came with are the clamps to hook it up to your battery for power. What it didn't come with, that I bought extra, was the actual stuff that you put in it to make smoke. You can use baby oil or glycerin, I think. But while I was on Amazon, and I just grabbed this. Probably paid a lot extra for it, but made it easy. I don't have baby oil or glycerin. All right. Put this hook in here. Don't know if I'll need it, because I don't know if I'm going to hang it anywhere. I'll put it in for demonstration purposes at least. All right, we got a hook. Next, plug into the back. Power. Then we'll connect the tube. Looks like you screw this off. Put that in. Put that on. And screw that back on there. We'll go finger tight. And if that's not good enough, I think finger tight's pretty tight anyway. Yeah. And I do believe that is officially assembled. So that took about 2 minutes. Okay, next thing we have to do is add the smoke oil. And I'm already glad I got this because it's already pre-measured, which makes life a whole lot easier. You want to add 30 milliliters the first time, and then when it starts getting low, then it says just add 10 or 20. So we'll get it started off with 30. So the next step in the process is disconnecting the line hose that leads from the throttle body into the brake booster. So, actually not the throttle body, the intake manifold. So we have that here. Leads into this thing and around, down, into there. So I'm going to pop that off next. Wiggle in. It's really on there good. Yeah. There we go. Got it. Next step. Power. I'm just going to peruse the instructions one more time before I engage smoke. Okay, it's pretty much turn it on, put it in there, and within 1 minute it should be filled with smoke. So that's easy. On. All right, I'm just going to stand here and stare at this. Oh, I need to plug the throttle bodies. Here's what we got so far. It's coming out of the holes in the throttle body. I should plug those up. Okay, I'm just going to plug that up with some paper towels. Try not to get it too deep in there because I don't know if it would interfere with anything, but like I said repeatedly, I'm a noob. Well, I definitely got a bunch of smoke pumping out of here. I'm just not exactly sure at the moment if it's spots that it should be coming out of or shouldn't be coming out of. Just gonna turn this off for a second. And back. I can't tell if it's just coming out of this hole it's supposed to come out of because I don't have it plugged up well, or because there is smoke coming from other places. So here's what I'm working with. I got to a point now to where I got too much smoke coming out of places where air should come out of, and it's hard to see if it's coming out some other places. So I'm gonna have to do a better job of plugging up some of those holes. You can actually just blow the smoke out of the way. I don't know if you can see. Let's see. Oh, let's get that camera. Oops, dropped my phone. But anyway, when you blow smoke out of the way, you can see it start to pour. Oop, should shut off. Oh, nope. There we go. Okay. You can see it coming out of where that spring in there goes in. And I believe it's also a manifold gasket leak, which is not a huge surprise. See what we got on this side. Definitely leaking from that. You know, I'll have to find out if that's normal. I doubt it. I think I need a smoke refill. Well, like it said in the instructions, I've conservatively filled it with juice to make sure I didn't overflow it and damage it. It's broke. Another big surprise. Reset. Scott. The power light is also not on, even though oh, we're back. I just had to hit it a little. And now I also see this thing is leaking. Look at that. That just started. Oh crap. Look at that. I'm still not 100% sure if it's an intake manifold or if that's just the smoke rolling out of those springs and going down. Fixed. Okay, once again, not sure if we're out of smoke or if the machine is broke. This thing just had a way to see how much juice was in it. You wouldn't have this mystery. Let's try it again. Okay, give it a little rest. Maybe that'll help. Come on, smoke. What's crazy is the first time I ran it, before it broke, there was nothing coming out of that brake booster tube. The second time, though, it was rolling out pretty good. That'd be cool if that was the problem. Yeah, it was falling out of there. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. You just gotta beat it. Where'd my light go? Y'all see my light? I'm still just looking to verify it's not an intake manifold leak. I don't think it is now. I think what I thought was an intake manifold leak was an illusion. It's really just coming out of those springs. It's like the throttle springs made that up. It's coming out of the EGR also. Let me get a better look at that. Okay, in summary, the leaking spots were this thing, don't know what it is, up in here on both sides, little spring Not sure if that's one of those spots where air, it's okay or not. I have to look into that. And then the EGR diaphragm, I think is what that's called, is also leaking, and I'm not sure if that would be normal or abnormal either. I have one of those, a brand new one. That's fixed. I just had to do that. And those, I'm just gonna have to do a little research. I mean, you know, air is gonna come out of here and here. Maybe it comes out of there too. So overall, doing the smoke test provided me with some good information. However, I'm not quite sure I would recommend this particular model of smoke machine due to the fact that you have to beat it up a little bit to get it to work. So yeah, I don't know, maybe it was me. I don't think so. It's probably a cheap Amazon piece of crap. So I do not recommend that. I don't have a better option for you, but not that one. So in summary, smoke testing, easy and informative. Amazon smoke tester. Overall though, that was a great use of time. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here this weekend on this car. I have some stuff to do to the truck this weekend, minor stuff, and do a little more research on this just to make sure that I'm doing the right fixes. But definitely looking forward to digging into some information on this, and I'm hoping that just that one vacuum leak at that brake booster junction circle box thing was the biggest vacuum leak in here and potentially part of the issue with the cold starts. There are still other things going on in here that could be the culprit, but we made some progress this weekend, so I'm happy. I really appreciate you watching me figure out what I'm doing here. Really hope that you can subscribe to the channel and see how this all works out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.